If you want to make a full backup of your GoDaddy website, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Backing up your site is one of the smartest things you can do because it protects your files, settings, and data in case something goes wrong. Whether you're planning updates, troubleshooting an issue, or just want peace of mind, a full backup gives you a safe copy of everything. And if this tutorial helps you, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to My Products. From there, find your web hosting plan and click Manage. This is where you'll access the hosting tools for your website. Once the hosting dashboard opens, look for the cPanel admin option and click it. cPanel is the control panel that lets you manage different parts of your hosting account, including backups. Inside cPanel, you'll see a lot of different tools, but the one you need here is Backup. Click on Backup to open the backup options for your hosting account. This section is where you can create a full copy of your website and data. If you're looking to save everything at once, this is the best place to do it. Next, click Download a full account backup. This option creates a complete backup of your hosting account, rather than just individual files or databases. It's the safest choice if you want everything packaged together. After that, you'll need to choose the destination. Select Home Directory. This tells the system where to store the backup file while it's being generated. Once the destination is selected, click Generate Backup. At this point, GoDaddy will begin creating your full account backup. Depending on the size of your website, this may take a little time, so be patient and let the process finish. Large websites with lots of files, images, or databases may take longer, while smaller sites may be ready much faster. When the backup is ready, you'll see the file available for download. Go ahead and download it to your computer or external storage device so you have a safe copy saved offline. I always recommend keeping backups in more than one place if possible, so you're protected even if one copy is lost. And that's it. You've now backed up your GoDaddy website using cPanel. This is a simple but powerful habit that can save you a lot of stress later. If you're managing a website, regular backups should always be part of your routine. They make it much easier to recover your site if you ever need to restore files or undo a bad change. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.